Good day everyone, my name is Arthur, back again with another video, and you already know that there has been major updates on the scanner. So in this video we're just gonna go ahead and explore all the major updates, including Cobra Arbitrage scanner and stuff like that, and we're gonna take some live trades, you know what I mean. By the way, I'm recording live this video, no edits or anything like that. We're just gonna go straight right into it and do all the opportunities and stuff like that and all the good stuff. So there has been major updates on the scanner. Let's take a look at features right here. On our previous video we discussed all the features that the scanner has and all the good stuff. You can pause the video and then go through all this if you want to, take a look at the scanner and stuff like that. But it works in real time, automated profit and stuff like that, API integrations. Can also check all the testimonies, and of course it also has user guide right here. So this user guide is gonna pretty much help you to pretty much know how exactly you're gonna use the scanner. As you can see, these are all feedbacks from the scanner and stuff like that. Been getting a lot of notifications about successful of the scanner, you know what I mean. So here's a user guide for the scanner. It's very simple. If you want to get started, just gonna click right there and it's gonna expand and show you pretty much anything that you need and stuff like that, like how you can use it, how you can access your scanner and everything. And of course, little explanation about what triangle arbitrage is all about. Right here it says triangle arbitrage explores price differences between three currencies to generate profit. You start with one currency, trade through to others, and end up with more and original currency, stuff like that. So this is a little example, like USDT to BTC, from BTC to ETH and back to USDT, and that's how we make profit, and that's called triangle crypto arbitrage. And I mean, I made a lot of videos on this channel talking about triangle arbitrage and why this scanner, and it also shows you pretty much anything. And here's more about navigation and interface right here. You see it has good cross arbitrage and opportunities and stuff like that. And this video we're gonna take a look at cross arbitrage, because this is very, very important for beginners in crypto, whereby we're just gonna buy cryptocurrencies from one exchange and sell to another. So I feel like this is very, very important when it comes to arbitrage, you know what I mean. So you can also connect to an exchange. For those who've been asking me how exactly you can connect to an exchange, and this is a little guide, and this explains to you how exactly you can do that with simple API keys and stuff like that, you know what I mean. And scanner configuration is also here, but gonna need some access and stuff like that. You get all the password, once you get the scanner, you get the passwords and everything. But you connect to an exchange and all that, like everything is right here. So I'm just gonna skip this right now, and we're gonna jump into cross arbitrage, whereby we're gonna scan some arbitrage opportunities and then do a live trade, and we're gonna see how much money we're gonna make, how much money we're gonna do all that, you know what I mean. So here's a risk and stuff like that, risk management and everything. So let's just go back to the scanner right here. All right, this is triangle arbitrage scanner. So just to show you triangle arbitrage scanner, it has right now more than 20 crypto exchanges that you can take advantage of, right? Let's get right into it, and then I'm gonna show you. You can see very, very good interface right here. So here are all the major crypto exchanges that you can take advantage of, including Binance, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, KuCoin, Bybit, OKX, all these, Gemini, Upbit, Bittrex. Can take advantage of all these crypto exchanges, and right now things are really going crazy, you know what I mean. A lot of people have been killing it with triangle crypto arbitrage, and that's really, really cool. I'm happy to see that. So once you click select an exchange, it's just gonna scan and give you triangle crypto arbitrage opportunities, just like what's going on right here, you know what I mean. And you can also simply connect to an exchange. Let's say you want to connect to Coinbase Pro, you have good Coinbase Pro account, you can use your API keys and secret keys right here to connect to an exchange. Is going to do anything for you. But the real deal reason why I'm recording this video is we want to talk about Cobra Arbitrage, right? Cobra Arbitrage. I'm just gonna put the password and access the scanner. All right. So with Cobra Arbitrage, guys, I explained about what arbitrage is all about. You buy cryptocurrency from one exchange at lower price, and then you sell it to another exchange at higher price. For example, let's say you buy Tarex from Binance at lower price, and then you're gonna send it to Bybit and then sell it there at higher price, and the difference is your profit, and that's called cross arbitrage, right? You can also check all that guide right here. You can just go to user guide, and then it's going to explain to you what cross arbitrage is all about right here. And on this channel, I made a lot of videos about cross arbitrage and stuff like that, and this is very, very important. If you connect your scanner to your exchanges, it's going to show you all the profits right here and all that, good stuff. So they made it easier right here, because all you have to do is just to select an exchange instead of showing a bunch of opportunities and stuff like that. A lot of people, it was kind of like confusing people, but right now all you have to do is just to come right here, select an exchange that you're using. And moreover, like right now they have added a lot of exchanges, guys. You see all these crypto exchanges you can take advantage of. So let's say you want to start from, let's say, Binance, which is the biggest crypto exchange, to like Poloniex, because there's always crypto arbitrage opportunities there. You're just gonna click start, and you're just gonna start scanning in real time. So you can buy mana from Binance and send it to Poloniex, and you're gonna make 3.1% right here. And you can also scroll down to see more opportunities, like all these opportunities like Doji, your ADA, you're gonna give it like 2% right there. TRX is gonna give you like 3%. Argo is going to give you like 2.5%, by simply buying from Binance and sell on Poloniex, right? So you have a bunch of crypto exchanges right here, like crypto.com, BitGet, and all those crypto exchanges. All these, even Vala and Lono. If you are in Africa and you have got Vala and Lono, you can also take advantage of these two as well. You know what I mean? So it's a very, very big, game changer right now. So let me just select one crypto exchange right here. Let's try GetIO. There's always opportunities right there. Let's stop and scan again right now in real time. As you can see right here, it says I must buy Shiba from Binance and sell to GetIO. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right now. You know what I mean? It also says I must buy some Litecoin from Binance and sell to GetIO. I'm gonna make 2.9%. which is cool. So we're just gonna take this one right here, Litecoin, to GetIO right now in this video. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so right here we have got Binance account right here, load it up, and we're gonna use these funds to send over to GetIO. Right here, as you can see, this is a new account, and they're even suggesting me to bind my authenticator and stuff like that. Know what I mean? So this is our new GetIO. Let me just reload this page. Can see right there. So we're just gonna go over to our Binance right here and then buy some Litecoin right now using these funds right here, and then we're gonna send over to GetIO. So let's go to trade and click spot. You know what I mean? And for those who don't know how to use Binance, I made a video on this channel showing you how exactly you can do all this stuff. You know what I mean? So it's very, very simple. So once you're here, just gonna go ahead and search for Litecoin right here, LTC, and we have some USDT, right? Just gonna click right here, and let's use the whole 300 USD that we have right here. So we're spending 300 USD, and we gonna make at least like 3% because it showed 2.9, so it should be approximately 3% right there. You know what I mean? So we're just going to use a market order, and we're spending the whole available balance that we have to buy some Litecoin, right? And buy some Litecoin. As you can see, trade has been executed. Now we have some Litecoin. Let's go ahead and check. All right. Now we have some Litecoin right here. You can see worth of 300 USD. So I'm just gonna go ahead and then withdraw this Litecoin that we have right here. Let's go to spot like this, and then click withdraw Litecoin is in, right? Withdraw Litecoin right there. Then it's gonna ask us to put the address and all that good stuff. So we're gonna go over to get IO. As you can see, our account is clean, and we're gonna deposit our Litecoin to this get IO and then make approximately, the profits and stuff like that. So gonna click deposit on get IO. Oh, I gotta go through all this bullshit. Alright guys, so I did set up everything. Now we're good. Just gonna reload this right here. Let's remove this one. Yeah, now we're good. Can click on spot and then make a deposit. So we bought some Litecoin on Binance, and then right now we gotta deposit it on get IO. And let's click on chain deposit right here, and we depositing Litecoin, right? LTC, like this one right here. Don't deposit to this one or whatever, all these. Make sure you deposit to this one right here, and then it's just gonna load up and give us. Sorry about that, folks. So choosing Litecoin, and right here you have to choose Litecoin network, which is this one right here, Litecoin network right there, and we're just gonna make a deposit to this address. So I'm just gonna copy it and go to Binance right here, and then we put the address right there, and I'm gonna make sure that I hide this Litecoin address. And right here you have to choose network, which is Litecoin again, and we're not paying any fee right here, as you can see. Very cheap. So we're just gonna click max. So in this case you can see how much money we're withdrawing, which is 3.4 worth of Litecoin, and this is the Litecoin that we bought from Binance, right? You can also check it on Google if you say LTC to USD, right? It's gonna be approximately $300, right? This is the Litecoin that we are withdrawing right here. See, 300 USD. So we're just gonna go ahead and click withdraw right there. I'm sending funds to myself. Oh man, this thing is boring now. An exchange, get IO, I always get IO. This one right here, get IO, acknowledge, submit. And we're just gonna go ahead and continue and put our security, whatever. All right, boom, and just like that, we own, guys. Just waiting for approval right here to be, to get through right here. Oh, click the back. We still don't have funds, still loading. Right here, guys, we don't have funds. See, still loading. So let's go back to Binance right here. For sure, right now transaction is on the way. I don't know, man, but I'm just gonna have to hide the address, cause right now there's a lot going on and stuff like that. So it's better to to hide all these addresses and everything. Like these days, it's crazy. You know what I mean? So they are processing the transaction right now. Alright, should be in our account right now. So just gonna go back to get IO, and let's view how much money we made right here by clicking spot account, right? And boom, guys, as you can see, we started with 300 USD, and right now we ended up with 309 USD, approximately 12.9% made from the scanner. You know what I mean, right here. So you can see this is the same amount of Litecoin we sent, 3.4, and we started with 300 USD, and then now is 309 USD, and all we gotta do is just to set it back to USDT, and that's how we make our profits and stuff like that with arbitrage scanner, cross arbitrage scanner. You know what I mean? So it's very simple, like this. You can see send same amount, 3.4 USD right here, with 300 USD from Binance, and then right here on get IO, is 309 right here. Very simple. So if you want the scanner, it's called Cobra Arbitrage Scanner. You can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online, and that's where exactly you can find this scanner right here. It's called Heavy Crypto right here. It's called Triangular Arbitrage Scanner, Cross Arbitrage plus Triangular Arbitrage Scanner. So you're gonna get the Triangular Arbitrage Scanner. I made a video yesterday whereby I did Triangular Crypto Arbitrage live video, plus you get the Cross Arbitrage Scanner. So this package right here is gonna pretty much help you throughout your arbitrage, career and stuff like that. But if you want Triangular Arbitrage Scanner only, you can get this one right here, and this one is gonna give you cross arbitrage just like what you did in this video, plus Triangular Arbitrage Scanner. You know what I mean? Still on this card. And if you want to take your career further and stuff like that, you can try to take one of these courses right here, and it's gonna help you out throughout your trading career. And you can also book me for one-on-one mentorship right here, whereby I'm going to explain to you in detail, and you can see me when you are free and stuff like that. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to show you how exactly you can make money with Triangular Crypto Arbitrage, cross arbitrage and stuff like that. And therefore, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm as well as helping the channel. Therefore, I'll send the video, guys. Love and peace. Cheers.